welcome back. This is me, Sukruta, and you're watching Hanok. I know that it has been a long while since we have posted a video. Sorry guys. So we are here with another video. Day before yesterday, I was spending time with my roommate. We were watching the Instagram reels. Suddenly I saw a post. Our all-time favorite music director, Mr. A.R. Rahman, is getting divorced. He has tweeted that he is getting divorced. So I'm thinking like, what happened? Everybody in the Bollywood is getting divorced, getting breakup, and everything is happening. What is the reason? So today we are going to discuss about the factors that are causing the divorce and why the relationships are so fragile in this 2024. So the first and the foremost reason that I believe why this happens is lack of communication and intimacy. The lack of communication and intimacy doesn't mean that you have to be on call with your partner for like 2 hours or the whole day. It doesn't mean anything like that. But still you have to maintain very good communication. Like you should have a private space. It means that you should have a personal space, but still you can share everything. Just try to find ways to connect. I know guys, seeing a person for a complete 30 years or 10 years, it's boring. But we'll find some sort of enjoyment in our life. Have you ever been through a situation you are talking to your partner and he or she is just hearing and not responding properly? Life gets harder. There will be stress, work, kids, and everything. It is very easy to stop prioritizing your relationship. Sometimes we just don't communicate just because we don't want to make things more worse. Boys, let me give you a small tip. You guys will fight. It's not like boys are fighting or girls are fighting. There is a fight in between you and your partner. You two will forget in the morning, but girls are not like that. We will remember each and everything, each and every single thing that you have done. So you should talk in a way that it's ending up correctly. Remember, every relationship has ups and downs, but with effort, understanding, and patience, you can reconnect. So another one important reason is infidelity. Now though cheating is like very common. Everybody are generalizing cheating. And these Gen Z kids are like friends with benefits, bestie, open relationship, close relationship, so many things, and they have messed up. They are just trying to cheat and they give new names. Do you think that this is right? You are treating your partner. How would you feel when you are get betrayed? Do you think that you can bring back the trust when you break those hearts? So it is one of the worst thing that you can do in a relationship. Have you ever felt disappointed just because your partner is not able to fulfill your expectations? Let's talk about unrealistic expectations. So these unrealistic expectations often come from the TV shows, movies, fantasies that shows everything is perfect. The body, the size, the color, the hair, everything is perfect. Even the character. Is it possible in reality? You are just putting pressure on yourself and your partner just to be perfect. Everybody has their own flaws. No relationship is perfect. Love is not about perfection. Just understand it and accept it. Have you ever wondered if you and your partner are compatible to each other? Come, let's talk about incompatibility. Sometimes you and your partner will not be able to share the same wavelength intellectually or emotionally, which leads to the separation. Sometimes the better way is to acknowledge that you and your partner are not the right options and part ways. This may give an initial pain, but later on will give you a better connections. Remember that the incompatibility doesn't mean that you are bad or you are a bad person in a relationship. It just means that you are not a right fit. Last but not least, domestic violence. Domestic violence is not only painful but also a hard reality to most of the women in India. Domestic violence not only includes physical abuse, it also includes emotional, sexual, and financial abuse. The person who is affected by this domestic abuse will be manipulated. They are manipulated in such a way that they won't be able to end this relationship. And the factors like fear, love, children, financial dependency, everything makes these things more and more complicated. If you are in an abusive relationship, please know that you are not alone. And it is not mandatory to stay like that. So for more support, you can contact National Women's Helpline and for better assistance you can call your nearby police station. I want to conclude one thing, that I have not seen any men or women losing their life for being single, but I have seen people who have lost their life just because they have been in a very bad, wrong relationship. Think very deeply, find a compatible, understanding personality that suits you, and hope this video gave you some information. Till the next time, signing off, Sukrita. Bye.